Hi, it's Brent with Kansas Hydrographics again. Today I'm going to show you, this is a leopard print pattern. We call it brown and black leopard. We have 3 or 4 leopard prints for sale, so it's kind of hard to decipher which one's which anymore. Here it is on a white base. We're going to be dipping to a white base today on a straight to ABS speed shape. The number is LAO55BKH. We'll be using Kansas Hydrographics Activator. Doesn't seem to bunch up on itself very much. Running the tank about 90 degrees, about a 60-second soak time. I didn't even put a timer on this one. That's what it looks like on a white base. You could about put that on anything. This is, I believe, a 50 centimeter wide pattern, so you won't be able to do huge objects in it, but do a lot of smaller objects. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.